What's up guys, it's Vico Kang here, your very own Gohighlevel Ninja. In this video walkthrough, I'm going to teach you on how to configure your very own Gohighlevel SaaS mode and set up a SMS and email rebuilding to your SaaS client. Now just a quick disclaimer here, this video walkthrough is only going to make sense and work if you have a Gohighlevel SaaS mode, which is the $497 plan. And if you haven't got that plan yet, make sure that you check out the link on the description to actually get yourself a 30-day no-risk free trial onto Gohighlevel SaaS mode. And if you're already a Gohighlevel existing user, you also can use the link in the description to upgrade to the $497 plan to receive a lot more of our bonus. So without further ado, let's jump to the computer screen here. So the first thing that you want to do guys is navigate to agency setting and come to your SaaS dashboard. And you can see here we have integrate our SaaS dashboard with Stripe ready to go. But if you haven't, there's just going to be a button right in the middle here. Just click integrate with your Stripe. And once you integrate your Gohighlevel account with Stripe, what Gohighlevel will do as a system is that it automatically add products into your Stripe account. And it just say here, please do not delete these products inside your Stripe account. And we're going to explain further in the video why is that so important later on. So as you can see here, the dashboard is very easy and simple to navigate. You can set up your very own trial date here, 14 day, 10 day, and you can actually build your custom plan where you can drag and drop feature into different plans. And when someone sign up to a certain plan, such as the standard or professional or premium, you can actually give them monthly credit and load them up with a pre-existing snapshot. They make it very easy to actually navigate all this feature and how to set up and configure everything. So if you scroll down here, you can set up your phone and your email into a certain markup, 1.5 or 2.5 or just 2x. And if you just scroll down here, they have LC lead connector, email verification, LC premium trigger, and LC AI content. So obviously for the sake of this video, we're only going to be touching on the email and SMS rebuilding. The first thing that you want to do guys is modify all this pricing and all this plan to your offer and to your industry. So the next step guys is navigate to your sub account, which is your main business account. Now within the agency account, you can have multiple sub accounts. One of those sub accounts is going to be your main business account that you use funnel, calendar, and all of the other features for your own business. Now this account is brand new, as you can see here. So the first thing we want to do is set everything up so your customer can buy all this plan and all this subscription for you. So the first thing that you guys want to do is navigate to site and check out funnel and website. And as you can see, these are empty because it's a brand new account. So what I want to walk you through is to navigate to our free course and check out our free snapshot, right? So the free course is going to have a link in the description. And under this module, lesson 5, the first module, lesson 5, you can see here we have our pre-installed snapshot ready for you to just copy and paste. So you can go ahead and watch this video to get a more insight of what the snapshot look like. But there's a link here that you said click to import. You just want to go ahead and copy this link and come back to your Gohighlevel account. Make sure that you have it logged in the background. Open a new tab and actually go ahead and copy and paste that link. It's really as simple and as easy as that. So once you load the link, it's gonna show you this screen, which is, do you want to import the snapshot to this account? You actually press yes, and it's gonna do its magic. So after it load here under import snapshot, you have yourself a brand new snapshot from Whitelabel, #Whitelabel Saas Snapshot. So the next thing that you want to do here is to go back, go to sub account, and under sub account, you want to select the right sub account, which is your business, and you want to click manage client. And then what you can do is you can click action and then load snapshot. And then you can go ahead and click the Whitelabel Saas Snapshot and click proceed. Select all mean that you're going to be getting everything from the snapshot, such as calendar, custom field form, website, and funnel. So you want to go ahead and do that. And then the system will load everything to that sub account. So let's go ahead to the sub account and check it out. So now I want you to navigate to site and check out funnel and website. You can see here it's preload, pre-built into your account for you. So guys, we actually make a whole in-depth video about all the snapshot and what everything look like, but we're gonna spend a few seconds here to show you the entire workflow again. So if you navigate to website real quick and go to the home page, and then you want to just come back and navigate to funnel and navigate to essential plan and actually put the preview screen. What that look like, guys, is that you're going to have a website like this that we pre-built, pre-made for you. You're going to have your logo on top, your name on top, your color on top to make sure that it's become your business. And then when the client click on pricing, and then when they become interested, they're going to click on start now. When they click on start now, they will go into a checkout page like this. Okay, and that checkout page will require them to enter their name, business name, email, phone number, and their credit card information so they can buy and subscribe to your software business. So we're going to go ahead and teach you how to set everything up. So the second thing that you need to do, guys, after importing your snapshot is to integrate your Stripe again into the SAP account. Now, if you're new here, you have to understand that integrating Stripe to your agency account and to your SAP account is two different things. So you want to come back to setting, go to integration and pick Stripe, continue and connect with Stripe. Alright, now that you can see Stripe is fully integrated into the SAP account, so the next thing that you want to do is navigate to payment, right, which is right here, and go to products. And the next thing that you want to do is import the products from Stripe. Now, this is the same Stripe that we integrate into our agency account. So Gohighlevel have created all of this product plan for us already. Let's go ahead and pick the products that Gohighlevel picked for us. So remember, guys, just so this makes sense, remember we have 3 different plans and we have 2 different pricing for each plan. One for monthly, one for yearly. So we're going to have 6 products in total. So you have to do setup for all of the 6 products if you want to have 3 different plans for your software business. So in this video, I'm going to set up only 1 product and you can repeat the whole process for the rest of the products if you choose to do 6. So let's go ahead and do the $297. Okay. We're going to leave the setup free. Just ignore it and then put import price. Now we have the products ready to go, right? Then you want to navigate back to site and you want to go to funnel. The website is nothing much to do with payment and checkout. The funnel is everything to do with payment and checkout. So I want to go to essential plan here. Now under the funnel, you want to go to products and then you want to add the product that we just created in payment. Right, you can see here there's only 1 product and then there's only 1 price for that product. Now what you can do, you can modify or add on to the product name and the price display, but I'm just gonna leave it here and click save. And that is it, guys. Like, it's really simple, just like that. Now let's just preview the funnel again. Underneath the funnel, you can see the price here at $297. And once someone put their credit card, they're going to go into that plan and then they're going to get all of the features that you assign for them in the beginning of the video. Now, obviously, you want to fix. Whoa, hold on. If you're just checking out what the hell Gohighlevel is as a platform or just an aspiring entrepreneur who starts their online business, we made a free course on how to start your very own software business from scratch and land your first 10 clients in a matter of 30 days. And this is the exact same course that we use to help our private coaching students to get results such as this. Make sure you find a link somewhere around this video to actually get access to the free course. Now back to the video. So landing page properly, this is a 97 landing page. So if you have 3 different price, you would have 3 different landing page that people go to with just the heading fixed. That is it, guys. If you have set this up correctly, you should have a fully working functional checkout page that people can go in, put in their information, put in their card info, and subscribe to your software service. So just quickly here, guys, the reason why you need to do this is for those people who are in the 97 or 297 who have all of their clients on Gohighlevel set up already but are not on the SaaS mode. So you can go manually and turn each of them into a SaaS client. So under SAP account here, you want to pick the right SAP account, which is the client that you want to turn to a SaaS client. Click on the 3 dots, switch to SaaS. And then what the system prompts you to do is to send this link to an email or SMS. So basically, to turn a SAP account to a SaaS account, that account has to have a payment info attached to it, and it has to have its own billing dashboard, and it has to have its own credit and its own balance. Hopefully that makes sense. So basically, to show you this, you can go ahead and copy this link and copy it and load that into the next tab. So basically, this is what you see. The SaaS client would have its own dashboard and it would request your client to put their payment info into it. Now that you have put the payment info onto the account, you can see that the client can have their own dashboard, such as balance. They can choose what amount to top up and what amount need to refill, and they can go ahead and change their new card if need to. So once the account becomes successfully converted to SaaS, you have no more option to convert it to SaaS, right? So what you can do is click Manage Client. Now within this dashboard, you can see here, you can manually go in and adjust the SMS and email rebilling. If you want to charge this client differently from everyone else, you can go ahead and do that. And again, you can go ahead and turn on premium trigger, email verification, content AI, and all that stuff for this one particular client if you want to treat him or her differently from everyone else. So this is it, guys. This is a full in-depth walkthrough on how to configure your Gohighlevel SaaS mode and how to set up an email and SMS rebilling to your SaaS client. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment what you actually learned from it. And also share this video to another Gohighlevel expert to actually help the community out. So this is Vico Kang, your very own Gohighlevel ninja. I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you are also checking out this content right there.